And with Fat Tuesday around the corner, many are looking forward to catching some beads and other colorful toys. But it's easy to ignore the devastation that parade throws cause waterways. And in the heart of Mardi Gras country, the Mississippi River can get the worst of it. But hear how one LSU scientist will have a new way of measuring floating plastic just in time for the holiday.
I was moving from Belle Chase up towards Kenner on the river, and we started counting water bottles, and we gave up because we just lost track. There were so many.
Dr. Mark Benfield is on a mission to track plastic waste in Louisiana's waterways, and recently he turned to a new technology with a lot of buzz in the research community.
A drone allows you the ability to conduct regular flights over the river at low altitude, taking pictures, and then as long as we know the area of the image, we can then calculate numbers of plastics per square area.
And just in time for carnival season. Last year, about 100,000 pounds of Mardi Gras beads were pulled from New Orleans catch basins, which means that plenty of this festive plastic never leaves the watershed.
You know, all these beads that get thrown onto the ground, they get washed into the sewers and ultimately make their way into the river as well.
It's very shocking to see the amount of plastic that's just left, and there's just no kind of, group or community to come clean it up.
Fish can mistake beads for food, and once the plastic breaks down into smaller pieces, called microplastic, it can wreak even more havoc on marine animals, poisoning wildlife from the bottom of the food chain to the top. Dr. Benfield hopes to have his drones in the air by Mardi Gras so he can measure exactly how much litter the holiday brings.
After these big major parades and everyone's having fun, all this plastic is thrown and there's just no one to pick it up.
The beads are a hot commodity when they're in your hand or in the air, and then after the parade there's all this debris that's left behind and people walk away from it.
But the researcher hopes that measuring the damage done by Louisiana's signature celebration will convince the public to make changes for the better. And TigerTV will keep you updated as the project takes to the skies. And parade litter isn't easy to get rid of. One of the plastics used in Mardi Gras beads, called polystyrene, can take up to 1 million years to fully decompose. So happy Mardi Gras, Tigers, and if you're celebrating the holiday, don't forget the green in purple, green, and gold.